welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist, book lover, Christmas lover, and I attempted to do gingerbread makeup. So I'm gonna be honest, I am not that happy with this makeup, but I still feel like it's cute, even if my gingerbread men look a little burnt. I feel good, I feel happy. I love trying to be super creative on the holidays. It makes me so happy. I really don't want to ramble too much in the beginning because I believe this video might be a little bit longer than my usual videos. But if you're interested in the products that I use, everything will be listed down below. And I just want to give a shout out to my TikTok. I am so close to 10K on there. So very close. I greatly appreciate it if you go and follow me over on there. And I have a giveaway going up on TikTok. It is linked down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I think that covers everything I wanted to say in the beginning. So let's just jump into doing the makeup. Alright, I don't know how well this is gonna go. My hat's not gonna match this because it's blue. We'll just go with it. So I'm going to be using a shade from this palette, but first I'm going to prime with my Anastasia primer. I did a gingerbread look last year and I really wanted to recreate a different one, so I'm going to try to make it a little bit different. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to start with this palette. I'm going to go into the shade Mercury, and that's probably going to be the only one I use in this palette because I want like a brown smoky eye, because you know, gingerbread, brown, smoky. Why not? So I have my base down already, so I'm really hoping I don't get any fallout. I'm going to be using this more flat brush, kicking off the excess, and I'm going to start just stamping this on. Okay, so I'm going to keep it low to start, slowly start building this up. I'm not blending it out just yet, I'm just following where my crease would be, so I'm getting like right in the socket, and then I'll start blending it out. I'm going to go in with a more fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into Mercury again. Just tap off very, very little light pressure. I'm going to start blending this up and out. I am going to move over to this shade also. This is Arsenic. I'm just going to use that just the tiniest bit to help blend out this edge. I feel like I just needed a little bit more. And oh yeah, that is what that needed. So just a very light, not too much on the brush, just very lightly blending that. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with that first brush, just get the tip a little bit more Mercury, and I'm going to start running this on my lower lash line, and I'll blend it out with the Arsenic shade. I just really want to get this down so I can have an idea of where I'm going to go next. Alright, and then same brush with a little bit of Arsenic. I do have a video of me using the Beverly Sarian collection. For some reason that video got received very well, and I want to just say I'm filming this in major advance. I just want to say thank you for 3,800 subscribers. I have been struggling to grow on here, and since starting my Christmas series, I've gained a lot of followers, and it just means a lot. Even if probably a handful of you are from TikTok just for my giveaway. Regardless, I appreciate each and every one of you. And maybe if I can hit 4,000 before Christmas on here, I can do a YouTube giveaway, because I love to give back. And I feel so cute. I feel so cute when I look so dead. I think I'm going to throw on this. This is from Ciate, London. This is the eye luster in the shade Ice. Very pretty. I just want like a little bit. Ooh, it's like, has like a blue shift in it. Just want it like in this front part, and I'm going to blend it out. That's so pretty. I love that. Definitely giving off like blue vibes. Not mad at it. So for Makeup of Murder, I'm going to go in with this little ladder activated palette. This is the Love Bandit one, and I'm going to go into the white here. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the 7mm from Elli Beauty and Anna's Artistry. Okay, so my thought process is to do like a swoop, because last year I did like a squiggle. I want to do like a clean line and then like make like icing drips. That's my thought process. I'm going to start in the corner to something like that. It's okay if it's not like even, because I'm gonna be adding more details to it. I really love this water activated liner from Makeup of Murder. It is so easy to work with. So now I'm gonna go in and do like little drips. And I have from Elli Beauty, this is the Your Love palette. I'm going to go in with the red and the green, and maybe a little bit of the blue to tie in the blue on the lid, and then my blue hat. I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to start in the red. And I'm gonna do like little dots, I think. Dots make it easy. And then we'll do the gingerbread. Alright, so there's that going on. I'm gonna set these to the side, and I need to find my brown liner. From LJ Beauty, I have the Sepia pen. I'm gonna use this to kind of sketch out my little gingerbread. So I was thinking like peeking out up here would be cute. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I should zoom in a bit. So start with the arm. I'm just gonna fill that little guy in. Something like that. Now here comes the hard part, is the details. So small. So on the other side of this one is the 5mm. I'm going to use just the tip of that with the white from the Makeup Murder palette and try to do 2 eyes and a mouth. It may be a little scary. I'm going to give this one a little hair. Clean that off, and I'm going to go back in and go in with some red and green detail, like the buttons maybe. This one kind of has like an emo thing going on. So these aren't looking like the best. I gave them like green hair, but you know, you get the idea. You get the idea. So now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Space Cowboy. This is a glitter liner. And I'm just going to kind of follow the white that I did. Just a little bit, just for an added level of sparkle. I'm also going to put this on front of my inner front here. Little sparkle. I love that. I might hate this a little bit. Just a little bit. But I can power through it. I have this idea on like the outside here to take this and make like a gumdrop and put the glitter on top. I'm going to go general shape. Gumdrop is like, can I remember what a gumdrop looks like? Yes. Yes, I do. I don't think that they really look like gumdrops. I'm struggling. I am struggling here. Alright, so what I decided to do was take the Sepia pen and then outline those, and those look a lot better. Not perfect, but better. I'm gonna go grab another glitter. This is Grind from Urban Decay. I'm gonna use that like kind of like on top just to get a little pizzazz. Giving a little bit of shine to it. Kind of like gumdrops, or aren't they the ones covered in sugar? So like the glitter is like the sugar. While I'm here, I'm also gonna take this and put it right in the center here. I will be honest, I think I like just the regular heavy metal glitters from Urban Decay better than their new ones that have like the solid base. Like this Grind color is stunning. So stunning. I'm actually gonna put that up here too. I'm also gonna throw this on my little gingerbread dude, because the dude isn't looking very good. Did I ruin that one? Maybe a little bit. Oh no. Feeling a little bit better about it. I put a little white highlight on my little gumdrops. This is what I got going on. I need to put something on my inner corner. I think I'm just going to put a little bit of the Ciate London eye luster on. Better, better. In my waterline, I want to put, this is fitting, this is Extra Frosting from Colourpop. Alright, and then I think I'm just going to do a very light line across my lash line to hide the lash band. I'm just going to use that same liner from LJ Beauty. While I'm here, I'm going to take more of Grind and just follow all under here. So that, and I'm going to go back in with Space Cowboy, and I'm going to just re-intensify that inner corner. Or like, inner, you know, I can't talk. I just did a little snowflake on my nose. Just something extra. Alright, it's kind of cute, alright? Kind of cute. Alright, so I'm going to put a brown mascara on. This is the Brown Better Than Sex one from Too Faced. And then I'll put on these NYX lashes, figure out a lip situation, and then I'll be back to show you the completed look. Alright, so here is my finished look. Is it perfect? No. Do I feel cute? Yes. Do I think my gingerbread looked a little burnt? Also yes. For my lips, I went in with Weeping Fig and Foxglove from the Bailey, Sarian, and Milk collab. I just thought the brown tones would work very well with the gingerbread. This is a beautiful brown color, but it was a little too dark on me, so I went in with a little bit of foxglove just to lighten it. And I really like the combo of that. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I have several videos lined up where I'm going to be doing different sort of eye looks. I have like a Grinch idea in mind, some like ornaments, tree, you know, keeping it festive and cute and fun. And hopefully by the end of me filming all these videos, I can be just a smidge bit better at drawing on my face. But yeah, this was really fun to do. I'll be honest, I think my last year's look was better, but I'm proud of this one. I love the glitter. I love the little gumdrops. I think really like outlining them really pop. And I'm just now realizing that I should have just went in with like a liquid lipstick for the gingerbread because I don't have a brown water activated liner, and it turns out that this is too dark. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you guys so much for 3,800 subscribers. I have slowly been gaining subscribers and followers across all my platforms, and it's just warming my cold little heart. So thank you so much. If you want to keep up with me on my other socials, I'm artistryxashh everywhere. But if you like book content, I am devouring bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. I typically post like hauls and some reviews and like mainly hauls because I just buy too many books if I'm being honest. But yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new holiday video.
I think that my Christmas has died.